FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my FaheemShaheen channel. Today we are going to do 2 minutes of speaking practice together. You don't need a partner, just repeat after me. Speak loudly, speak clearly, and don't worry about mistakes. Let's start. Part 1. Basic greetings. Repeat each line after me. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Jia. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Part 2. Daily routine practice. Now let's practice sentences about our daily life. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English every day. I read a book. I go to sleep at night. Part 3. Question answer practice. I will ask you and you will answer after me. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea. Part 4. Speaking tip. Before we finish, here are some tips for better English speaking. Practice every day, even 10 minutes. Speak loudly, not whisper. Don't worry about grammar too much. Listen to English movies, songs, and conversation. Practice with friends or record your own voice. That's it for today's session. Remember, learning English is not about perfection. It's about progress. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Keep speaking, keep learning. Hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.